If you get a buzz from beautiful cities, glorious cathedrals and ancient treasures, then the Durham half-day tour will give you all of this and more. We'll begin by meeting you at Durham Station, walking you through the rich history of Durham's medieval city centre before stepping inside the grand Romanesque cathedral. After soaking in this awe-inspiring architecture, we'll visit the cathedral's museum, the Open Treasures, which contain the artefacts gathered by the bishops of Durham for the last 1,000 years, including the treasures of St Cuthbert himself. Along the way, you'll step into locations from films including Harry Potter and Avengers Endgame. Learn how one of the grandest cathedrals in the British Isles was built at remarkable speed, and find out who was responsible for turning the city's castle into student accommodation. So if that sounds good to you, why not book your place on the Durham half-day tour today at ilestours.co.uk. We can't wait to share this beautiful historic city with you.